Hello and welcome to this video on Data Load Tool. So this is a tool for extracting and loading the data into a target destination. So from a source to a target destination. And in this case, we will load the data into Snowflake. So moving on to the keynote, we have using Data Load Tool from DLT Hub to extract and load data from various sources into our data warehouse. So remember the data pipeline we have in this course. So we have different data sources. We have extract and load. This is where DLT comes in. And then we'll go into the data warehouse. And in the data warehouse, we have transform, and then we serve a BI dashboard. So we'll now focus on extracting and loading into the data warehouse. So more specifically, we'll focus on the staging layer. So loading from source data to staging layer. So this is the first time I show this more detailed view of the data warehouse itself, what it contains. What it contains, it depends on your how you would like to model your data warehouse. And in this course, I've chosen this approach to have a staging layer, a warehouse layer, and a mart layer. In other, many may use like staging is very common. They might use a refine layer and serving layer. So it's different depending on how you name them and how you define them. In more details, like these different layers in my design in this course, we will have different schemas for them. So we have a schema for the staging, we have a schema for the warehouse layer, and we have schemas for the marts layers. But we'll focus on the staging layer in the DLT part. So we are ingesting the data into the data warehouse from different data sources. So why do we need a specialized tool to load the data? Well, you have a BI analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. The BI analyst says, I need data for dashboards. Data scientist, I need data for AI. And the data engineer, okay, fine, I will use my valuable time to create data pipelines with custom scripts. And these scripts are unfortunately, in many cases, not very robust. You need to adapt them to different use cases. You need to make sure that the connection works, etc., etc. How about we don't do that? We take a tool that already exists that has several connectors to various places. And one of these tools is DLT. Oh, right. So I forgot to say this also. So we have data going to BI analyst and data to data scientist, different data. So the data load tool, it's an open source data ingestion tool. It's a lightweight Python library for moving data from source to destination. It solves the EL part of ELT, so extract and load. So there's a lot of connectors to different sources and destinations that can be used out of box. That means you don't have to have so much code. However, the code is still in Python, so it's a Python library. So this is the DLT hub. And note then, there are a lot of other tools also, both open source and proprietary, that solves data ingestions. So you don't need to use DLT and the DLT hub. There are several others. So we'll be using DLT, but some others to mention are Airbyte, Fivetran, Talend, Apache Kafkask, Amazon Kinesis, Azure Data Factory, Stitch, Matillion. So these are a few others to mention. There are probably many more, and there are probably many more that will show up in the near future as well. So when you watch this video, maybe there's other tools that are state of the art. I don't know. So with this, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.